Whoa! A big winter storm is coming. Did you know some winter storms can be so strong they're called blizzards? A blizzard isn't just a lot of snow. It has super strong winds that make snow swirl around like a giant snow globe. And guess what? Did you know that snow is made up of tiny ice crystals that form in clouds? When it's cold enough, these crystals stick together and fall to the ground as snowflakes. Here's a fun fact. No two snowflakes are exactly alike. Each one has its own special shape, kind of like fingerprints for snow. Cool, right? When there's a big winter storm, it's smart to stay inside, stay warm, wear cozy clothes, and stay with a grown-up. If you do go outside to play in the snow, make sure you bundle up and wear a warm jacket, shoes, mittens, and a hat. If you want to learn more about snow and winter weather, check out my video called Learn About Snow on my YouTube channel, Teacher Sabrina Learning.